Well,
Hello there,
again,
YouTube.
I'm Jane Balfour 4 and today it's another poll. So today's poll is, what would you say the best product to be used with any building of a computer is? So let's have our choices here. The magnetic screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, thermal interfacing base, the BIOS, the floppy disk drive. Or maybe it's none of those options, maybe it's something else that you use to build your computer. Answer as a comment down below, and please put any other comments you want, and like, favourite, and everything else you do in YouTube. Thanks for watching my
YouTube.
video.